Ooh. Sour.
It's sour.
Here you go. Go like this. Do you want anything else to eat, Theo?
Eating her pasta.
Yes, she
Gigi, eat your lime again.
You eat her lime when you eat her pasta?
Because it was funny and I'm recording it.
Is there sound on that?
Yes.
Oh, there is?
Mhm.
Hi.
How you doing?
Awesome.
Delicious.
Ew. Oh, did you? I thought you had a piece of lime. I guess not.
I have it wide too. I don't even know how to get it back to normal.
I'm sorry?
It'll take 80 minutes or something.
You want more key lime? I'll get you more key lime.
Here you go.
Here you go.
I want it in my peanut.
You want your lime and your key lime? That doesn't make a damn bit of sense.
So I think
Do you want some water?